Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to www.shopify.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Start Free Trial button and click it. This will direct you to a page where you can enter your email address. Type your email address into the designated field. Next, create a strong password for your new account. Make sure your password meets security requirements. After that, you'll need to choose a store name, which will be unique to your business. Input your desired store name in the appropriate box. Click the Create Your Store button to proceed. Shopify will take a moment to set up your store. Once the setup is complete, you will be taken to the Shopify dashboard. Now, fill out the required fields regarding your business. Provide information such as your address, which will be used for billing and taxes. Next, you will be prompted to answer a few questions about your business goals. Choose the option that best reflects your current situation. Once everything is filled out, click Next to move forward. You will then be directed to the Shopify admin panel. Take a moment to explore the dashboard layout. On the left side, you'll see various options like orders, products, and analytics. To customize your store, navigate to the Online Store section. Click on Themes to choose a theme that fits your brand. Browse through the available themes and select one that appeals to you. Once you've chosen a theme, click the Customize button to edit it. Make the desired changes to the design, colors, and layout. After making your adjustments, remember to save your changes. Now, it's time to add products to your store. Go to the Products section and click Add Product. Fill in the product details, including the name, description, and price. Upload product images to showcase your items effectively. After entering all necessary information, click Save to add the product to your store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.